Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $2,000, Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. The 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 comes from the iconic Ironhead era, a period known for raw V-twin character and classic Harley styling. These motorcycles remain popular among enthusiasts thanks to their simple mechanical design, strong aftermarket support, and timeless American appeal. This example shows approximately 20,000 miles and is described as running and riding while still needing some final sorting. The seller reports a healthy engine, functioning charging system, new wiring harness, and numerous additional parts included with the sale. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage Harley project, this Sportster offers plenty of potential. Number 2. 1978 Triumph Bonneville 750, $4,000, Florence, Massachusetts. The 1978 Triumph Bonneville 750 represents one of Britain's most legendary motorcycle models. Known for its smooth twin-cylinder engine, classic styling, and rich motorcycling heritage, the Bonneville remains a favorite among collectors and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. This example shows 16,500 miles and is described as being in great shape for its age. The seller notes that the motorcycle was thoroughly gone through last year and currently runs great. With its attractive price and classic Bonneville character, this Triumph appears ready for many enjoyable miles ahead. Number 3. 1975 Yamaha XS, $1,500, Homeworth, Ohio. The 1975 Yamaha XS helped establish Yamaha's reputation for producing reliable and enjoyable twin-cylinder motorcycles. Inspired by classic British twins, but backed by dependable Japanese engineering, the XS series continues to attract riders looking for an affordable vintage motorcycle experience. This example shows 23,496 miles and features several upgrades, including electronic ignition and a Banshee stator conversion. The seller notes that the fuel tank and carburetors are currently dry and that the bike carries a title in their name. At this price point, it could be an appealing project or weekend rider for the right enthusiast. Number 4. 1990 Harley-Davidson Softail, $4,000, South Hamilton, Massachusetts. The 1990 Harley-Davidson Softail captures the custom motorcycle culture that became increasingly popular during the late 1980s and early 1990s. With its hidden rear suspension and classic hardtail appearance, the Softail remains one of Harley-Davidson's most recognizable and customizable platforms. This custom-built example reportedly earned more than 40 trophies and has been featured in motorcycle magazines. Powered by a 96-inch stroker engine, the bike currently needs some attention, including carburetor work and new tires. For mechanically inclined buyers, it could be an opportunity to own a highly customized Harley with show bike history. Number 5. 1976 Honda CB550F, $3,000, Malden, Massachusetts. The 1976 Honda CB550F Supersport is widely respected for its balanced performance, lightweight feel, and smooth four-cylinder engine. Often considered one of Honda's best all-around motorcycles of the 1970s, the CB550F continues to enjoy strong support among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. This sapphire blue example has received extensive maintenance and upgrades over the past 2 years. Highlights include a Delcovic exhaust system, electronic ignition, upgraded suspension, new chain and sprockets, fresh tires, and numerous additional improvements. While it still needs some attention, the bike appears to be a well-maintained classic with plenty of appeal.
Yup.
Number 6. 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R, $5,500, Falmouth, Maine. The 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R is one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced. Known for its strong performance, elegant styling, and legendary reputation, the Bonneville became a symbol of the golden age of motorcycling and remains highly sought after today. This example was recently acquired from the family of its original owner and is described as an honest, matching numbers motorcycle. Retaining its stock configuration and original character, it offers collectors and enthusiasts an opportunity to own a classic Triumph that stays true to its roots. Number 7. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100, $4,400, Hebron, Connecticut. The 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100 represented the evolution of Kawasaki's powerful four-cylinder motorcycles that dominated the performance market during the late 1970s and early 1980s. Known for smooth power delivery and excellent reliability, these machines remain popular among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. This example shows only 12,500 miles and is described as needing nothing. The seller reports that everything works properly with no leaks or known issues. Upgrades include a Delkovich exhaust system and progressive rear shocks, while the original parts are included. With its clean condition and low mileage, this KZ1100 appears ready for immediate enjoyment. Number 8. 1981 Vespa 100 Sport, $4,000, Centerport, New York. The 1981 Vespa 100 Sport captures the lightweight simplicity and timeless style that made Vespa famous around the world. Small-frame Vespas remain highly collectible thanks to their nimble handling, efficient two-stroke engines, and unmistakable Italian design. This example retains its original paint and bodywork and is described as a solid, reliable runner. Recent maintenance includes a carburetor cleaning, fresh gearbox oil, and cable adjustments to factory specifications. With a clean title and well-preserved condition, this Vespa offers vintage charm and everyday usability. Number 9. 1978 BMW R80/7, $4,000, Maple Shade, New Jersey. The 1978 BMW R80/7 is part of BMW's respected Airhead family, a lineup known for durability, comfort, and classic boxer twin performance. These motorcycles continue to attract riders who appreciate timeless styling and dependable German engineering. This example shows 65,000 miles and has reportedly undergone a tasteful restoration while maintaining its original character. Finished in black with traditional pinstriping, it combines classic appearance with strong mechanical condition. For riders seeking a vintage BMW that can still be enjoyed regularly, this R80/7 presents an appealing option. Number 10. 1971 BSA A70L Lightning, $6,900, Langhorne, Pennsylvania. The 1971 BSA A70L Lightning is one of the rarest production motorcycles ever built by BSA. Produced in a limited run of just 202 units to meet AMA racing requirements, the A70L has become a highly desirable model among collectors of British motorcycles. This matching numbers example is reported to run well with all systems functioning properly. The seller notes that it comes with a clear title and retains the characteristics that make the A70L so special. For enthusiasts seeking a truly uncommon British classic, opportunities to find an A70L Lightning are few and far between. Number 11. 1982 Suzuki GS850, $2,200, Cleveland, Ohio. The 1982 Suzuki GS850 is well known for its durability, smooth inline-4 performance, and comfortable riding manners. These motorcycles earned a reputation as dependable long-distance machines and continue to be popular among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts today. This example shows 24,000 miles and has received several recent updates, including a new EBC clutch, fresh tires, and recent fluid changes. The seller notes that the bike has been ridden regularly and performs well, with only a minor turn signal issue mentioned. With a clean title and affordable price, it offers solid value for a classic Suzuki. Number 12. 1965 Harley-Davidson M50, $2,000, Norfolk, Virginia. The 1965 Harley-Davidson M50 is a unique piece of Harley history, produced during the company's partnership with Yamaha in Italy. Powered by a small two-stroke engine, the lightweight M50 was designed as an economical and easy-to-ride motorcycle for everyday transportation. This example is described as running, riding, and shifting through all three gears. As a first-year production model, it represents a rare opportunity to own one of Harley-Davidson's more unusual vintage motorcycles. For collectors looking for something different, this little M50 certainly stands out from the crowd. Number 13. 1968 Yamaha YR2C, $1,500, Castle Creek, New York. The 1968 Yamaha YR2C is a rare two-stroke twin that helped pave the way for Yamaha's later RD series motorcycles. Produced for only a short time, these early performance-oriented Yamahas have become increasingly interesting to collectors and restoration enthusiasts. This example is being offered as a restoration project and turns over by hand, although the seller has not attempted to start it. Several issues have been identified, including worn tires and possible engine case damage, but the bike remains a promising candidate for someone looking to revive a rare vintage Yamaha. Number 14. 1960 Harley-Davidson FLH Panhead, $17,500, Plainfield, New Hampshire. The 1960 Harley-Davidson FLH Panhead remains one of the most iconic American motorcycles ever built. Known for its distinctive engine design and timeless styling, the Panhead continues to hold a special place among collectors and classic Harley enthusiasts. This example reportedly runs and rides, with the engine having been rebuilt by a previous owner and seeing limited use since. The seller notes that original police silver paint remains beneath the current finish, adding another interesting detail to its history. For buyers seeking a genuine Panhead, this motorcycle offers classic Harley character and vintage appeal. Number 15. 1978 Yamaha XS650 Special, $500, Holland, Massachusetts. The 1978 Yamaha XS650 Special helped make the XS650 one of Yamaha's most successful twin-cylinder motorcycles. With strong aftermarket support and a reputation for reliability, these bikes remain popular foundations for restorations, customs, and bobber builds. This barn find example is being sold as a project and currently kicks over with good compression. Offered with a bill of sale, the motorcycle could serve as a parts donor or a starting point for a custom build. At just $500, it is one of the most affordable vintage motorcycle opportunities in this collection. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Let us know which motorcycle you'd take home. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more classic motorcycle deals from across the USA.